Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best air quality kit is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your home and family's well-being, especially when you consider how much time we spend indoors, often unaware of the invisible pollutants lurking in our living spaces, from allergens and mold spores to VOCs and radon, all silently impacting our health and comfort, making a reliable testing kit essential for peace of mind and proactive health management. Number 5. Kayenqo Home Mold Test Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for easy mold testing at home. It includes 12 test plates, swabs, gloves, and detailed instructions. You won't need to prepare anything else to get started. It allows you to test indoor air, HVAC systems, cars, and various home surfaces. This kit detects a wide range of common household molds. You can use it in up to 12 different locations around your home or office. With 12 test plates, you can sample 12 unique spots or perform 2 tests on 6 areas. The kit is divided into 2 independent packages for convenience. If mold is detected, use the included guide for removal, then retest to ensure it's gone. A detailed guide with images of common household molds is included to help you identify what's present. Simply compare your test results to the pictures provided. If you're still unsure, you can send us photos, and our lab staff will assist you. Wooden furniture, like cabinets and wardrobes, are often high-risk areas for mold, especially black mold. This kit provides 12 separate tests, offering great value. Use it to regularly check these vulnerable spots in your home. This kit offers exceptional value with its 12 separate tests, allowing thorough inspection. It helps you proactively protect your home, especially high-risk areas like wooden furniture. Use it to check cabinets, wardrobes, and beds for hidden mold. What we like? This kit offers extensive coverage with 12 tests, allowing you to thoroughly check multiple areas. If you suspect mold in many different spots or want to retest after remediation, its multiple plates are incredibly useful. It's perfect for homeowners who want a comprehensive, DIY mold detection solution without needing to send samples to a lab. What people say. Number 4. Airthings Wave Plus, Radon and Air Quality Monitor. Radon levels can fluctuate daily, making continuous long-term measurement essential. This device provides accurate and reliable radon readings. It helps you monitor your environment effectively. It features sensors for radon, carbon dioxide, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and air pressure. This gives you full visibility into 6 key indoor air factors. You can understand your air quality better. Simply wave your hand in front of it for a quick color-coded visual indication. For more detailed insights, connect via Bluetooth to the Airthings app. It makes understanding your air easy. Designed in Norway, it benefits from 15 years of experience in indoor radon and air quality monitoring. This makes it an original industry leader in radon gas detectors. It is trusted by users worldwide. Your purchase includes the Airthings Wave Plus device and 2 AA batteries. A quick start guide is also provided to help you set it up. You also get access to Airthings support for any questions. What we like? This device provides continuous, reliable monitoring for a wide range of critical air factors, including radon and CO2. If you are concerned about long-term exposure to invisible gases like radon or want real-time insights into your overall indoor air health, this is an excellent choice. Its smart features and app connectivity make it ideal for tech-savvy users who want detailed data and alerts. What people say. Number 3. Evviva Science's Home Mold Test Kit. Worried about unseen mold in your living spaces? This kit offers a simple solution to detect its presence. It helps you identify potential mold issues quickly and efficiently. Inside, you'll find 10 agar petri dishes and swabs for collecting samples. These tools make it easy to gather mold specimens from various locations around your home. You can use it to test your indoor air quality, check your HVAC system, or examine any household surface. It's designed to help you discover mold in up to 10 different areas. For a deeper understanding, an optional lab analysis is available for an extra fee. This service provides a detailed report identifying the specific types of molds found in your samples. A downloadable guide is included, offering valuable information and images of common household molds. It helps you learn about potential risks and how to reduce contamination. This efficient kit delivers results in as little as 2 to 4 days. You'll quickly gain insights into the environmental situation of your home or office. What we like? This kit offers 10 separate tests and the flexibility of optional lab analysis for precise mold identification. If you need to test multiple areas and want the option for professional confirmation of mold types, this provides a balanced approach. It's suitable for those who want a comprehensive DIY test but also value the peace of mind that a certified lab report can offer. What people say. The kit accurately detects a wide range of indoor air pollutants. Its clear digital display provides easy-to-understand air quality data. Number 2. Breathe Airmonitor Plus Indoor Air Quality Monitor. This device accurately tracks a wide range of indoor air pollutants in real time. It monitors CO2, PM1, PM2.5, PM10, VOC, formaldehyde, temperature, and humidity, providing a complete picture of your environment. Unlike basic monitors, it combines precision particle sensing with gas detection technology. This delivers deeper insights into your air quality, not just a single data point. It helps you identify changes caused by daily activities like cooking or cleaning products. You can also see the effects of HVAC cycles, occupancy, or ventilation issues, empowering you to take action. Connect to its free app for remote monitoring and instant air quality alerts. The app also provides 30-day data history, allowing you to track trends and make smarter decisions. With its modern, compact design, it fits naturally into any space. It continuously monitors air quality day and night, making it ideal for families, allergy sufferers, and any indoor environment. Equipped with a precise CO2 meter, it detects rising CO2 levels. This helps you ventilate to boost focus, reduce drowsiness, and maintain a healthy environment in your home or office. By monitoring air quality, it helps prevent concentration issues caused by high CO2 or other pollutants. It's ideal for home offices, study spaces, or anywhere you need peak performance. What we like. This professional-grade monitor provides incredibly detailed insights into your air quality, tracking everything from CO2 to formaldehyde and particulate matter. If you are serious about understanding every aspect of your indoor environment and want to optimize for health, focus, and productivity, this is the ultimate tool. It's perfect for individuals or businesses who need precise data to make informed decisions about ventilation and air purification. What people say. Number 1. Mold Armor DIY Mold Test Kit. This kit helps you quickly detect mold in your home. You can see visible results in as little as 48 hours. It makes finding mold simple and efficient. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, giving you flexibility. You can even test your indoor air quality for unseen mold, ensuring comprehensive coverage. This kit offers 3 distinct ways to test: an indoor air quality test, an air conditioning and heating sample method, and surface sampling for visible mold. These options ensure you can address various situations. Each kit comes complete with a petri dish, a swab, and a mold growth medium. It provides all the necessary components for your testing, right out of the box. For a deeper understanding, you can mail in your results for an optional lab analysis. A team of trusted and certified US-based microbiologists can help identify the specific mold type for an additional fee. What we like. This straightforward kit delivers visible mold test results quickly, often within 48 hours. If you need a rapid initial assessment for mold presence, either indoors or outdoors, this is a very accessible option. It's ideal for those seeking a simple, budget-friendly way to quickly confirm or rule out a mold issue before considering further steps. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.